In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your number on Atome. If you've switched mobile providers, updated your SIM, or simply want a new contact number on your account, this walkthrough will guide you clearly from start to finish. Before you begin, make sure your new mobile line is active and can receive SMS codes and that you have a stable internet connection. It also helps to update the Atome app to the latest version so the screens match what you see here. Start by launching the Atome app on your phone. If you're prompted to log in, go ahead and sign in as you normally would. This ensures the app can securely access your account settings. If you use two-factor authentication, have that ready as well. Once you're on the home screen, head to the Me tab in the bottom right corner. This is your personal hub where you can manage your profile, payment methods, and security preferences. Tapping Me takes you to a page with options tailored to your account. From there, select Account and Security. This section is specifically designed for sensitive updates like passwords and phone numbers. Opening it confirms you're in the right place to make trusted changes without affecting your payment history or orders. Next, tap Update Mobile Number. This option may appear alongside other security items. Selecting it begins the number change process and tells the system you're about to link a new phone to your profile. When the app asks if you still have access to your current number, choose No. This path is meant for situations where you can't receive texts on the old number anymore, such as after a carrier switch or lost SIM. If you still do have access, the app might offer a different verification route, but for our purposes, selecting No takes you to the secure alternative. Complete the security prompt that appears, then enter your new mobile number carefully, including the correct country code if needed. The app will send a verification code to your new line. Keep that phone nearby and avoid switching away from the app for too long so you don't miss the code. If it doesn't arrive right away, wait for the countdown to finish before requesting a resend, and double check that your signal is strong. Once the SMS arrives, enter the code exactly as shown. Don't share this code with anyone. Atome and legitimate support agents will never ask for it. After successful verification, your mobile number will be updated on the account and you're all set. That's it. You've securely changed your number on Atome. If anything looks different on your screen, try updating the app and repeat these steps. Thanks for watching.